Hello and welcome to lesson number 6. This is the 4th video in this lesson. And in this video what we're going to be doing is inserting documents and spreadsheets into our website. Let's take a look at what the template has. The template we talked about has Google Docs that are embedded or inserted into each of our pages. So on the goal page we're inserting our 2017 MPW My Health, Nutrition, and Fitness Goals. On the fitness plan page, we have 2 documents, and that'll be it for this lesson. 2017 MPW Fitness Design Plan, and if you use the big scroll on the right-hand side, you can see we have 2 documents. One is a Google Doc on the top called the 2017 My Personal Fitness Plan, and you use the big scroll, and underneath that, we're going to be inserting a chart eventually, but right now it's just a spreadsheet, 2017 MPW Fit Chart, and that happens to be a spreadsheet. So let's take a look at how we're going to do this. In order for this to be shared and viewed, remember, we've said that this is the 3rd time we're going to remind you guys, make sure that you share it. We're going to take these 3 documents and embed it into our website. The first page that we want to insert is on Goal. Where it says Goal, you're going to click on the Edit page up in the top right-hand corner. And now we have a different, almost looks like a word processor. We can click on Insert, Format, Table Layout. We're going to click on Insert, and we're going to scroll over to where it says Drive, and this one happens to be a document. And what Google is going to do is going to give you previews of all the documents that you have in your Drive. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to click on the My Health, Nutrition, and Fitness Goals, and then we're going to click on Select. We usually make sure that we have the right document name. We're going to leave the height at 600 pixels, and the width we're going to leave blank for 100% width. We're going to click Save. We're almost done. Last but not least, right now this is just an edit. You can edit some properties, do some left and right with some word wrap. We're not going to do any of that today. We're just going to click on Save in the top right-hand corner. And that's it for that. So now we have a page on our website with an inserted document. Let's go to the fitness plan. Now the fitness plan, we have to do 2 things. One, let's click on Edit first, and we're going to change the layout. We want to have 2 boxes down here. We want to have one box on the top of the document and another box underneath that. To do that, we're going to click on Layout, and the default is 1 column simple. We want to scroll down to where it says 1 column, select that, and now you see that we have extra columns. Okay, so we have a row and 3 boxes. On the top box, we're going to insert Google Drive, a document, and this next one is going to be the fitness plan design. Make sure it's yours. Click on Select, and again, we're going to leave the default settings for this, and we're going to click Save. But we're not done yet. Let's make sure it goes through. I'm going to hit Save here. And there's the document itself. Okay, so that looks good. We want to edit this page and insert the spreadsheet underneath that. So let's click on Edit. We're going to scroll down to underneath our document. Put our cursor there. You can see it's flashing. We'll click Insert. And this time, we're going to insert that spreadsheet. So instead of a document, we're going to scroll down to where it says Spreadsheet. And again, this will pull up our spreadsheets. And you want to insert your one, not the template, the one that actually you did file, make, copy, rename, and share with your last name on it. You're going to click Select. And again, we're going to leave the default settings here. And you're going to hit Save. This is a preview page again. We have to hit Save in order for it to completely complete the operation. And now we have a Google Doc on the top and a Google spreadsheet on the bottom. In future lessons, we're going to be typing into both of these, and in lesson 10, we're actually going to take our information and type into this spreadsheet. In order to edit these, we're going to have to go back to our Google Drive, and we'll see how to do that in lesson 8 and in lesson 10. And that concludes this lesson.